So I'm guessing you are here because you have connected with a Young Living member who would like you to sign up or would like to walk you through signing up. So this is the page you'll want to come to, and you'll want to say get started. And this is where you scroll down and you pick your starter kit. So many times it's the premium starter kit that most people are wanting to sign up with. And so you're going to click here and then you're going to pick your diffuser. Sometimes it's another premium starter kit. So for example, Thieves, the Welcome Home starter kit, Ningxia, KidSense, or the CBD. So you're going to pick whichever starter kit you would like. We also have specialty kits and the basic kit of $35. So I'm going to go with the premium starter kit. And for this purpose, I'm going to bypass Essential Rewards. You'll want to touch base with the person that connected you to this website and talk through what Essential Rewards are, but for this purpose, I'm going to say no. And then I'm going to show you what to do to add more products because this is where it can get a little bit confusing. So I'm going to go to add more products. And this is where you can find all of the products that Young Living has. The oils, the supplements, the diffusers, all the things. So for example, I'm just going to go to What's New Wednesday and show you how to add a product. So our newest oil for kids is the KidSense. So I'm going to say add product. I'm going to go down here and look at what I have so far. This little thing will appear if there's a limit on the quantity, which I believe there probably is. Yes, you can only order one per month. And this is the diffuser that you've chosen, the premium starter kit diffuser. And then you're going to hit checkout. If you want to go and add more products, you just type in up here what you would like to order, and it will come up and you can add product again. So for this purpose, I'm going to go to checkout. And you need to scroll back down again and go to next. And then you're going to fill in your information. First and last name, your address, the city where you live, your state, your zip code, the email address associated with your account, and your phone number. And if you'd like to get email confirmation or communication, you click this button. Create your username and password as well as a 4-digit PIN. And then if you're not signing up with your social security number, you're going to click here. If there's a chance that you are wanting to do this business or you wanting to use Young Living as a business, you'll probably want to sign up with your social security number, because if you make over a certain amount of money each year, you will have to claim taxes on that. The most important part down here is to click on I was referred by a Young Living member and I have his or her member number. Click on that, and then the person who sent you this link will provide you with their sponsor ID and the enroller ID. So you would enter those, and then you would click this box to say I agree to the terms and conditions, and then you're going to hit continue. The continue button will bring you to a page that talks about shipping and payment. You will want to make sure that you pick the shipping that you are choosing as well as your payment information, and then you hit submit and you are signed up for Young Living. If you have any questions, reach out to the person that sent you this recording and they will be glad to answer your questions.